Welcome back to Strange Noises in the Driveway. Well, that was a Monte Carlo. This is strange Pontiacs in my possession. You say strange? No, man. This thing is bossy. You say 58 years old? Boom, shakalaka. You hear how that door shuts right there? Notice what's absent? The post. Because, honey, that's a hard top. And you know, it's been a little while. I know what you want to see. You want to see what's up underneath that motor. All that horsepower and everything, yeah. But look what ain't on the inside no more. Hey, man, the dirt is almost gone. Look at that 57-year-old white interior. And it's got a couple spots here and there. But it's looking fine. I ain't going to say 409 because that's a Chevrolet motor. Look on the other side. By the way, you like old school Pontiac, you know the bigger it is, the better it is. Hey, honey, it don't get no bigger than that right there. This give you a little bit better idea of how good that's beginning to look up in there. Unmolested, just cleaned. Yeah, I'm so, well, you know. Yeah, we only hit that one time right there. Yep. Won't be long now. She gonna be leaving this driveway. That engine gonna see some cleaning. First time in like decades here very soon. Yeah, but she'll start, run, drive, stop. Ready to load it up on the trailer right there with that 79 Chevrolet Monte Carlo got loaded up and went to Kentucky. Oh, that's been a few months ago. But it won't be long now, honey, will it? Nope. You say it won't be long for what? You see it. Yep. In the morning, she gets her final cleaning. It ain't gonna be long, whether it's daytime or nighttime. We're gonna shut the doors for the last time. Somebody go put it on the trailer that they bring. They go drive it home. You might as well go on and call me at 865-679-8173. Let that somebody be you. I mean, that is what they call you at work, right? The executive. It's a Pontiac thing. Either you know or you don't.